honeys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be installing this highlight balayage T-part wig from Unice Hair. It was 22 inches, 150% density, and I'm pretty sure the lace was like transparent or like that Swiss lace. So yeah, if you guys are interested, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and let's get into this video. So the package included a few goodies such as a ball cap. I'm pretty sure they sent me some earrings, and I don't know if this was like a mirror or something you're supposed to put your glue on so you can, you know, just take the glue from there and apply it, but I'm pretty sure it was a mirror.
On the grassland side by side, you could be my baby. Let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So right here I'm taking my absolute favorite Hold Me Down adhesive from Erica J. This glue is amazing. If y'all don't have it by now, if y'all ain't heard about it, I don't know where y'all been at, but this is the best glue if you're trying to lay a wig. Okay, it's the best.
It's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.
This wig was a very low maintenance wig. It's an extremely easy install. I want to say this wig would be very convenient for my girls who are new to install their wigs. Like, this is a beginner friendly wig. Anybody could cop it, but I'm just saying, like, if you just started out in your wigs, you don't know which direction to go in, don't know where to start at, T-part wigs are a good move. Also, you guys, don't forget to participate in the Unice app community activities, because you get a chance to win free wigs and various prizes. And who don't like some goodies? Like, you just shopping, doing your thing, boom, they're like, here, let me give you a free wig, let me give you some treats, let me give you some trinkets. Like, I don't care who you are, everybody loves something free. So yeah, don't forget to participate in those.
Side by side, you could be my baby. Let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor on a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound case. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say.
Okay, so right here I'm just taking some of my bold hole lace tint in the shade Caramel and dabbing that on the lace with a little makeup brush. I want to point out for my girls who are not seasoned wigologists or beauticians, hairstylists, this lace was extremely easy to work with. It already wasn't that hard of a blend on its own, and then once you add some makeup or some lace tint, it just really looks like it's coming out of the scalp. Very minimalistic, low effort, it was just an easy wig. Wig Install. The hair is super soft. It was easy to install. Like, wasn't a lot of space to work with as far as like baby hairs and stuff like that, because you know it's a T-part wig, and I tried to do it without the baby hairs, but y'all, either it's me and my eyesight are so used to seeing baby hairs, or this wig actually looks a little weird without baby hairs. But that's neither here nor there. I made this thing work. I love the hair color, love the texture. It's looking so freaking good. Like, yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. All the products used will be listed down below. I want to say thank you to Unice Hair for sending me this beautiful T-part wig. I love her. She's really cute. She's really like, I think I'm gonna call this wig Treasure. It's giving, I don't know why, but it's giving treasure. We're gonna call her Treasure. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and I will see you in the next. Have a blessed day.